Camera's probably gonna fall off.
You think you're going to get it out with this?
And the stubby.
I don't think you're going to.
Well,
If it was anywhere near as tight as that other one, you ain't going to get it out of there with that.
well. I can't even get that spark plug to bite on that damn. How much of a pain in the ass was it to get that spark plug on there?
I don't know. Is that the right size there?
9/16, yeah.
Goes right on there.
Where's your...
Well, I need to see if got dirt down in there or something.
Well, yeah,
Shouldn't be that much dirt in there.
Probably ought to go ahead and pull it out. Oh, there was some dirt in there. Yeah, it's on there. It's on there. Now give me that. See that? 3/8 stubby. 4/0, not even a 6. There she is. It's awfully cruddy looking. I told you that stubby'd do it.
What's that?
I told you that stubby'd do it. Milwaukee. So what is this? The 2554-20. And of course, you know, the Milwaukee sockets. No, I had that too, to take apart that box where all your ECM connections go, or whatever Ford calls them, PCM. Like, comment, share, subscribe, love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, they never fit.